See, I'm sitting down in my whip and I'm just trying to figure out who I can go to church as I is. I mean, as I am. I'm not a bad guy. I've been telling all of my partners it ain't no scam. Even when I got jammed up, I told the lady cop, yes, ma'am. And I just had a court case. Why you judging me, too? That ain't even what the Bible say. You supposed to love me, too. I was in the mud. You supposed to pull me up. You just drug me through. I was popping all the pills. You ain't pray for me. You just drug me, too. Coming up, I was bumping that cross movement. They was still calling it thug music. Got some gangster when I'm walking in. You want the fake daps and fake hug music. When they hear the strip club music, they gon' get the instrumental. If I play fettuccine for the strippers, I bet they get real sentimental. Life is like a box of colored pencils. You're trying to write the rules with no utensils. You looking so stupid, plain and simple. You might as well vandalize the temple. You might as well go to heaven and tell God, move, step aside, allow me. It's crazy. You ain't gonna get struck around me. And I know Christ died for us, but that ain't make you king. I put it on angel wing. I'm telling you. Why you giving me the runaround? We on the same team.